We recommend that you always carefully remove the tacky layer from base gels before applying colour coating. To ensure that the colour is applied evenly and thinly, you need to hold the brush at an angle of about 30 degrees relative to the surface of the nail. Don't put too much gel on your brush. Mosaic gel polishes are well pigmented and cover well even in one layer. To make the coating last longer, so that the nail looks fresh longer, you can use a thin brush to paint the nail in the cuticle area. This is done immediately in one layer, wet. Cure in a lamp for 30 seconds. Before applying the top, make sure to remove the tacky layer from the coloured gel. Here, a gel polish base was used as a base for the most natural look, so I will use gloss as a top coat. This top coat has a very high gloss and only needs to be applied in one coat. Colour Guard also has a high shine, plus it is resistant to colorants, which is especially important for clients who work with pigments and dyes, such as hairdressers. This top is easy to clean with finishing wipe. This top coat can be applied in 2 layers, thicker if necessary to cover accessories.